Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can hide chat on Twitch. So first and foremost, let's open some stream that we have. Then once at the stream, you can hide chat by either entering the full screen mode, and in here we should have the chat button somewhere. Here it is, in between the screen rotation icon and the full screen icon. So in here, tap on it, and as you can see, the chat gets successfully hidden. If you would like to, open it, just tap on the same chat icon over here. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.